It's a dream car which made every car designers to work with Hollywood and science fiction movie people. Vision AVTR, inspired by Avatar. The name of this dream vehicle stands not only for cooperation with Avatar team, but also for advanced vehicle transformation. At first glance, high performance and near-wheel built electronic motors are visible. The Vision AVTR represents a particularly agile implementation of the vision of a dynamic luxury saloon. Thanks to the intelligent and fully variable torque distribution, the Vision AVTR sets a new benchmark for EQ power. The Vision AVTR was designed with its electronic drive, which is 100% recyclable due to the materiality. At Mercedes-Benz, the concentration of efficiency goes far beyond the drive concept, and so on with increasing digitalization. The performance of the large number of so-called secondary consumers also comes into focus, along with their efficient energy supply. Energy consumption per computing operation is already a key target in the development of the new computer chips. This trend will continue in the coming years with the growth of sensors and artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. Man and human perception are the starting point of a design process from the inside out. For the first time, Mercedes-Benz has worked with a completely new design approach in the design of the Vision Avatar. Large areas such as back shell of the seat and the sky are decorated with a color-changing fabric inspired by the color world of the sea. Depending on the light, the textile changes its color from dark blue to a subtle light blue. Vision Avatar already responds to the approach of the passengers by visualizing the energy and information. Let's imagine a visual connection between the passengers and the outside world with a curved display module, which replaces a conventional dashboard. The outside world is getting shown in the real-time 3D graphics, and simultaneously it shows what is happening on the road in front of the vehicle. The car just looks like a spirit which connects to your heart by placing the hand on the center console. According to designers, the avatar for them is all about nature, and it represents a loop between hair and head of the character, and you can see this exact design in Avatar. The design in AVTR has a lot of combination with the elements, shapes and surfaces you can find in nature. For example, the driver's seat, which were inspired by a leaf. They think this show car is very epic and very different to every show car they have done so far, because it is inspired by a science fiction movie and it gives you a future vision. At the beginning of the process, there was nothing fixed. No decisions about how huge or powerful this car should be. The Mercedes company has decided to produce a car which is well designed, eco-conscious, and very smart and beautiful. The team had the target to create a car inspired by movie. All the way around, the back and face of the car and all the elements like flaps and lighting methods are connected to each other, which is linked to passengers' motions with HMM technology, which stands for Human Machine Merge. Let's jump into UX design, in which you can clearly notice the visionary show side and production side at the same time. And of course, both sides and ideas influence each other. They create a car with pleasure of driving at a maximum and higher level. The connection between seats and center console leads to a strong connection between human and the car. When you approach the car, it already starts come to life with high-tech reactions through light and physical movements outside. And when you enter the car and sit down, you should place your hand on the central element and it starts to life. And actually you can feel your heartbeat naturally and a connection between you and car thanks to the biotechnology. If you want to know more about Mercedes-Benz new future cars, please write a comment down below and like this video. I will appreciate it and respond to all your comments. Thank you.